In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Temu by image. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to find products just by using a picture. Whether you have a photo saved on your device or you want to snap a new one, it's a simple process that opens up a whole new world of shopping possibilities. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. First, you'll need to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the newest features. Once you have the app open, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials. If you're new to Temu, you might need to create an account first, which is a straightforward process. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar. This is your gateway to finding all sorts of products on Temu. You'll find the search bar at the top of the home screen. Right next to it, you'll notice a small camera icon. This is what you'll use to search by image. Give that icon a tap to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be presented with two options. You can either choose an image from your gallery or take a new photo. If you already have a picture of the item you're interested in on your phone, select the gallery option. Otherwise, you can take a new photo using your camera. Whichever option you choose, the app will prompt you to either select the image or snap a picture. Once you've chosen or taken your photo, you'll need to upload it to the app. This is a quick process, but it might take a moment as Temu processes the image. During this time, the app is analyzing your photo to find products that match or are similar to what you've shown. After the image has been processed, you'll see the results displayed on your screen. Temu will show you a variety of similar products based on the image you uploaded. This is where the fun begins, as you can explore these results to find exactly what you're looking for. To refine your search, you can use the filters provided by Temu. These filters allow you to narrow down the results by price, rating, or category, making it easier to find the perfect match for your needs. This is especially useful if you're looking for something specific or if you have a budget in mind. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to search on Temu by image. This feature is incredibly useful for those times when you see something you love but don't have any information about it. Just snap a picture, upload it, and let Temu do the rest. Happy shopping!